In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to install the Quad Lock Fork Stem Mount Pro on your motorcycle. The standard mount fits a tube diameter of 12.7 to 24 millimeters. The Pro kit will have a larger range covering tube sizes from 12.4 to 25.4 millimeters. Before we start, it is important to know whether the mount is compatible with your fork stem. Remove the fork stem cover and check for the presence of a lip at the top of the tube. If a lip is present, the fork stem mount will not fit properly into the tube, and a different type of mount will be required. To get started, pick the appropriate spacers for your tube diameter. Expand the spacer to the approximate tube size. Insert the mount into the tube. Turn the bolt clockwise to expand the spacers until the mount fits snug inside the tube. Flip the Allen key to get more leverage, ensuring a tight fit. Next up, we're going to install the vibration dampener. This part is optional, but highly recommended as it will greatly lower the risk of damaging your smartphone's optical image stabilization system. Align the orientation of the dampener onto the mount and secure it using the provided Allen key. Now it's time to secure the phone mount. Align it on the dampener and secure it. Finally, we're going to adjust the phone mounting angle. Start by putting the mount at the desired angle and tighten down the lower bolt. Then adjust the phone mounting angle, and once you're satisfied, tighten down the bolt. You are now done installing the fork stem mount. To attach your phone, hold it at a 45-degree angle and push it down onto the mount, then twist it to secure it. To release your phone, push down on the collar and simply twist your phone.